So, hello, young boy.
Hi, sir.
So, first, tell us about yourself.
My name is Arshia Adwan. I am from Budot. I have passed 8th. Nowadays, I was studying in 9th and learning spoken English. In my family, there are 11 members. My hobby is to play shooting and my aim to become a shooter. It is all about myself. If you want to ask anything, you may ask.
Okay. At what time do you come here?
On holiday, we come here at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
And why do you come here?
Because we want to learn spoken English.
And why do you want to learn spoken English?
Because in our school it is a ICSC board and we can't understand.
Have you taken your breakfast?
Yes, I have taken my breakfast.
What have you taken in your breakfast?
I have taken in my breakfast curd and chapati.
Do you live in Delhi?
No, I do not live in Delhi.
Where do you live in Delhi? Where do you live in?
I live in Budot.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, I eat ice cream.
Do you sing a song?
No, I do not sing a song.
Do you like to play?
Yes, I like to play.
Do you smoke?
No, I do not smoke.
What are you doing nowadays to become a shooter?
I was doing practice in range 2 or 3
How many
hours.
meters you are practicing?
I was practicing on 10 meters.
Okay, Harshit. Tell me, do you have to go to range or are you fond of that thing?
I am fond of
Shooting. Okay. Why do you fond of shooting? Why are you
because
fond of
it is
shooting?
my child aim.
With whom do you like to spend your free time?
I want to spend my time with my brother.
Are you fond of tea?
No, I am not fond of tea
Why are you not fond of tea?
because I don't like it.
Where are you from?
I am from Budot.
Are you Ravi?
No, I am not Ravi.
Who are you?
I am Arshit.
Do you like to eat fast food?
No, I do not like to eat fast food.
Have you do a job?
What?
Huh.
No, I have not done a job.
Can you drive a bike?
No, I can't drive a bike.
Have you come here?
Yes, I have come here.
Do you want to perform on national level shooting?
Yes, I want to perform national dance.
Okay. With whom do you practice in a range?
I was practicing with my brother.
Okay. And do you, okay. And do you help your brother in practice?
Yes, I had my brother in practice.
What are you fond of?
I am fond of playing shooting and playing in mobile and studying.
And what do you like to play in mobile?
I want to like playing in mobile games
What kinds of do you play in mobile?
like Free Fire.
Okay, nice.
Will you take your lunch?
Yes, I will take my lunch.
With whom will you take your lunch?
I will take lunch with my family.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a shooter.
Uh,
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
With whom will you come tomorrow?
I will come tomorrow with my brother.
how do you come here?
I come here with bike.
Will you smoke?
No, I will not smoke.
When you do come here? When do you come here?
I I come here daily.
Can you go to Delhi tonight?
No, I can't go to Delhi tonight.
Do you like to live in Badot?
Yes, I like to live in Budok.
Okay.